Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we are trying to learn Python by solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you are preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and try to build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on start at scratch regarding count the number of accounts used for logins in 2016. This question has been asked in Google and Apple interviews, and it's a great question if you are preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer interviews. Okay, let's look at the question. We need to count how many accounts have performed the login in the year 2016. We are given a data frame called product logins, and expected output is basically a number of all the accounts who have logged in 2016. So let's inquire about this table called product logins. So it has three different columns: account ID, employer key, and the login date, which has year, month, and day. And then if we look at the data type of login date, it is a date time. So we have learned earlier in this series that whenever a date time data type is involved in our analysis, then it is better to import date time library. Use that because it is a very powerful library to work with date times. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to perform a Boolean indexing using the year column of the login date and set it to 2016. So what I'm saying is, from this product login, we need to take, okay, so take the login date column and then we need to extract the year out of it. So date time dot year should be equal to 2016, because that is going to give you the true and false values. And when you pass this true and false values to the original data frame, it is going to keep only those rows where the rows are true. So if I go ahead and run this, let's see what do we get. So all the rows where the login date year is 2016. Now, once we have this, then we can take the account ID and count the number of rows. So what we can do is take the account ID column and let's perform a count, right? So dot count. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get here. So now if we look at it, it is 73, which is same as what is expected in our output. So I think this looks good. Let me go ahead and submit it to pass all the test cases. So everything is green and this is how to do it. So not a very difficult question. All we did was we took this data frame, then we firstly performed a Boolean indexing to make sure that we are only left with rows where year equal to 2016. And then once we had those rows, we simply took the account ID and count the number of such rows, because that is going to give you the how many accounts have performed a login in year 2016. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.